Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard. Step 2. Remove your vehicle's cab. Hold the part up to the frame and take note of its coverage. Mark out your cleaning area and grinding area. Step 3. Begin removing the damaged, undesired section of frame, approximately 2 inches of material. The cab mount for this frame section is available from Rustbuster, part number RB7733L. If you have a replacement cab mount, you can remove the factory mount now. If you want to keep the factory mount, our part features a perforated plate that allows the section to go around the mount. You can remove this plate now. Step 4. Clean and grind the work area free of rust and debris. Spray the area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 5. Place the part onto the frame using the frame holes to help with alignment. The sides of the frame kit may need to be bent or repositioned slightly. Step 6. C-clamp the part into place and weld the part around all edges. If you have a replacement cab mount, install it now. Step 7. Finally, paint the part with primer to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then, you're done.